So anytime somebody decides to join me in one of the opportunities that I talk about, I always give them the chance to either come on my channel and, talk about, why they joined the opportunity, or allow me to shout them out in the video and, basically say thank you and congratulations for joining me in that opportunity. And in this video, I'm doing that right now. So I want to say congratulations and thank you to Bridget, who just joined Nexus SNAP or Nexus Rewards, depending on however you want to call it. But she recently joined, and I shot her email and said, hey, thanks for joining the team. Hey, can I do a shout out video for you, or do you want to come on my channel? She wrote me back and said, hey, I appreciate it if you could do a shout out video. So Bridget, welcome. All right, you are in the position to start earning some money, some easy money, and actually start earning a residual monthly income with Nexus SNAP. So when Bridget wrote me, she asked me for some tips on how to, get some traffic to her affiliate link. And I told her, like I tell everybody, all right, there is tons of ways to promote Nexus SNAP. Why is there so many ways? Because this opportunity appeals to the masses. It appeals to anybody who is looking for a way to earn some extra cash, or for anybody who's looking to, save money whenever they shop on or offline, right? So, you can promote it like a million different ways, but the most common ways is YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, things like that. Then I always tell people, don't forget offline marketing. People always be sleeping on offline marketing. You still can go out there, use sites like Vistaprint. You can get 4x6 flyers made. You can even get the 8x11 full sheet flyers made. You can even get little small business cards, or what they call drop cards. You can have these made, and it's a super easy way to promote. All you need to do is find different places around your area or travel, whatever, and just leave those flyers, leave those business cards in places. Like laundromats is a great place to promote damn near anything. But laundromats is a great place where you can leave, your little flyers, 4x6 flyers. A lot of these places have those pinup boards where you can like post things or whatever, with your little thumbtack. Like, if you are serious about making money with Nexus SNAP, you can make it happen. But you just have to come up with a plan that you feel comfortable doing. Because a lot of people ask me, like, I'm a YouTube person. Most of the money I made with Nexus, it came from doing YouTube videos. But there's other people in Nexus who made way more money than I have, and all they do is use Facebook. Some people use TikTok videos, right? So you have to find your style, right? Not only find something that you feel comfortable doing, but you want to find something that you feel comfortable doing on a regular basis. A lot of people join these opportunities, right? They're inexpensive. It only costs like $50 to get started with Nexus, and like $10 a month. So a lot of people, they join it, they get all excited, and then they fall off because they're like, it's only $10 a month. It's all good. Yeah, I'll promote it a little bit. I ain't going to stress over it, right? And they don't make money, right? Because they never promoted it. All you need to do, if you are serious about making money with this particular opportunity, well, damn, any opportunity, you have to promote it, and you have to be consistent. If you do that, you will get results. It might not be day 1, right? It might not be day 12, but you will get results. But you got to stick with it. But I will say that I checked my back office before I did this video, and I seen that Bridget has already got an affiliate already. So she already started the process. She already is getting her link out there, and if she keeps going, she's going to keep building her income, right? It's just a matter of time. But I do want to say, have fun, be consistent, find a strategy that you're willing to do, but don't stress out over this. These opportunities, especially Nexus, like, they're supposed to be fun, right? They're supposed to be something that you feel comfortable promoting, sharing with other people, making money, some extra income, and, you know, do what you do. But like, do not join and you just like, you're on your last leg and rent's due, right? Your light bill due, and you trying to join Nexus SNAP and making all this money. No, because I've been saying this for a long time now. Nexus SNAP is a dope opportunity for those that actually use the program and promote it. So Bridget, you already on your way to being successful with Nexus SNAP. And if you want to join me and Bridget in Nexus SNAP, all you need to do is click that link in the description of this video, and we will both see you on the team.